Okay, I'm back. To do the repair of the agitator gear mechanism, you're gonna need a couple of things. And this is just a temporary repair. This is not the actual replacement. So I got some sockets, but I only need this one. It's an 11mm socket, and it may vary with the different machine that you have. I have an extension. This is probably 12 to 13 inches, I don't know. And I have a ratchet wrench. And I did that because not everybody has a lot of tools that I have. So I'm gonna see if I can do it with just this. If not, then I have to get the big boy stuff out. So just a quick turn to break the screw loose or the bolt loose, and then just unwind it. It's loose. And look at that. The whole thing comes out. I was not expecting that. I was thinking it was going to separate. So now, what to do? What to do? I don't see. Oh, it does just separate. It's 32. So it looks like this piece, which has the little gears, some kind of way, I guess just fits down in here on top of this some kind of way. Not completely sure. Oh, it's like this. So this falls in, I think, like this. This goes oh, I'm not even in frame. This goes like this. And then this slides through. Like that. And that's what makes this turn. But it will actually be down inside of here. Like that. And then this sets on. And it all goes together. So what I'm gonna do, we look at these teeth. They're pretty much non-existent on all of the little arms. So there's no way for, ooh, and then that was broke. There's no way for the agitation or agitator to actually do its thing because the teeth don't work. Now, what I was going to do was just use a file and cut into these, but because the arm is broke, ain't no need in going any further. I'm gonna just go to the store and see if they have the agitator and go from there. It was worth a try though. All right, peace.